Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Math with Mr. G. I'm here to go over our winner for Wheel of Pizza, week number 8. We saw a lot of students still participating and still putting in a lot of hard work. Over here on the right, you can see all of our names that we have. For all of the students, we have put in so much work this week. Remember, the rules for this is for every assignment you complete is an extra name inside of the wheel, which means more chances to win pizza. And with that, let's see who our week 8 winner is. Excellent. Congratulations, Renaya. We'll be giving you a call later as well to see where you live and what kind of pizza you would like. And congratulations to all my hard workers this week. Please continue working with the few weeks we have remaining, and we look forward to seeing all of our hard work that we do next week.